Here's a video on how to add the L strut to the cube and turn it, which requires an extra constraint. So we're going to assemble, and we're going to put it in traditionally, cylinder to cylinder, and then we're going to do flat to flat, and it actually did what I want. Then you have the ability to flip this up and down, and then this may not be turned in the right direction. So if you need to turn it, you're going to add a third constraint. So we go to placement, new constraint, and basically you're going to take the plane that runs in the center of the strut, and you're going to align it with a plane that runs through the cube. And when you do that and you change the constraint to angle offset, it gives you the ability to rotate this at certain degrees. So we could rotate it at 90 if we wanted, or we could make it 0, whatever we want to do, and then accept it. And then it'll stay where we want it to be.